Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video, and I decided I'm gonna not just narrate, I'm gonna grace this video with my face. So get into this video, subscribe for the ride honey, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video. Follow me on Instagram, Camelia_X. I follow back, and all those who follow me follow back too. We are big on the support, and yeah, let's get into this video. That's the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning. I boil the kettle because I need fuel, okay? And my fuel is coffee, so I need to boil the kettle. The next thing I do is drink water. I never ever used to drink water back in the day when I woke up in the morning, but when I realized the health benefits, go look it up because we ain't got time in this video, girl. It's something that I always do, and a bit TMI, it helps you to move your bowels as well. So make sure you drink your water in the morning, wake up all your organs. Next thing, I get onto that fuel, baby girl, okay? The fuel is the coffee. I'm a 3 scoops coffee, 4 scoops brown sugar girl, and you can see there that I'm using the Alpro oat milk. It's my new go-to. I've always been lactose intolerant, but recently, very recently, I've started to use Alpro, and it is delicious. Use the oat milk in the coffee. Bought this granola from Marks and Spencer's. I like it because it's the perfect balance of like nuts and fruits, and it's not too hard. You know how sometimes you can get them hard ones that just be like eating at the teeth. We ain't got time for that, so I love this one. Here I'm using the almond milk, but actually usually I would use the Total natural yogurt, and yes, that is frozen fruit. I've taken to buying frozen berries just because they last long. I'm not like an eat a berry every day kind of girl, but they do help with the smoothies because they keep them nice and cold. But yeah, I find that they taste no different. Some people like to have their green juice before they eat anything, before their coffee. Not me. I need to line my stomach with the coffee and sometimes something to eat before I have the green juice. My green juice, what you don't see here is that actually I added Irish moss, which is my new go-to thing. If you didn't know, the body is made up of is it 102 minerals, and Irish moss is like 92 or 98 of those minerals, so a big deal. But normally I try to, if I do eat in the afternoon, I try to eat foods that don't make me feel tired. So if I'm going to eat bread, because I'm big on bread, I normally get the brown wholemeal bagels, which are just delicious, just with butter on anyway. But here I'm doing like a little salmon concoction. Normally I'd have my salmon raw as well, but I actually heated it up in the grill. Yeah, it just, I feel like it brings out the smokiness a little bit more in the salmon. What you didn't see was that, yes, I added salt and pepper, but I also added balsamic vinegar, and I have balsamic vinegar with absolutely everything. Salad wise, I have it with everything. So yeah, you're missing that. And of course the Tabasco sauce, because whenever I have avocado, I need salt, I need pepper, and I need a hot sauce. End of. I know it's looking very green. I don't go out of my way to eat healthy, guys. I actually just crave things that happen to be healthy, so I just want to put that out there, okay? Not that it would be a bad thing, but I'm not like a go out of my way healthy eater. I just enjoy food. Next, we do a midday snack. These, oh my god, these rice cakes changed the game for me. Marks and Spencer's have got all different flavor rice cakes, but these ones I love because I love anything kind of salty and tangy. These are the salt and vinegar ones, love them. That piri piri hummus is out of this world. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. I believe it's got chili, and what is it, garlic and all sorts, like red pepper and all, but it's really delicious. You'll see here as well that I've got apple. Oh, the olives are garlic and chili olives, also from Marks and Spencer's. Those are lovely. What I don't like is that they've got, these ones have the pips in, but I ain't got time to be eating olives with pips in, but because I like the flavor, I bought those ones. And here I'm a bit of a strange concoction kind of girl, so I like apple with cheddar cheese. Don't knock it before you try it. And again, we got some ice cold water with some lemon. Quinoa is something that I eat a lot of, so what you just saw me prepare was quinoa, and the trick with quinoa is that you have to make sure that you soak it and rinse it several times before you cook it, and then before you cook it you also need to season it. So I season mine up a lot. Comment down below if you guys want like an actual in-time video of me preparing quinoa the way I eat quinoa, because I feel like when you buy quinoa out on the street, that stuff is just like, it's disgusting. But if you know how to season it and prepare it well, it's delightful. That salad there is a Turkish salad. It's very fresh, it's very tangy. There was lemon, balsamic vinegar and salt in that. What am I having here? This is halloumi. I love halloumi. And then that is Turkish bread, and then also we always got to have a bit of avocado as well. So that was the dinner. Guys, this is what I eat in a day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, honey, and click that notifications bell so that you'll know when I upload another video. Follow me on Instagram, Camilla_X, and I'll see you in another video.